Can you make the Hush holster work for my favorite insert here? Some guys have like the most random light or light laser combo that I've never heard of. So
Mhm.
can you make it work for my combo, Joe?
Yeah, the process that we go through when we develop a new holster is we have kind of a basic frame that we build around. And so using our computer-aided design, we kind of fit the light in there when we have a good model of it, and then just build the holster around that, making sure that the pistol clears, the suppressor clears. So 9 times out of 10, it's usually a pretty smooth process. Now, the real question is, do we do this just exclusively for, kind of unique lights? It kind of depends. If we have availability to do that, then we might. But for the most part, we're really focusing in on a lot of more popular lights and over time expanding into some of the more unique lights. So can we? Of course we can. Will we? We might eventually.
It's usually every like I think both of us keep like a mental track. We don't have an exact page for this. Maybe we should of how many people request certain lights. You can kind of feel like 10 guys have asked for the TLR8. We'll make it.
Hmm.
One person asked for, I believe it's the current infrared laser sighting system for handguns. I'd never heard of it. You can't buy it as a civilian. And they were like, well, are you going to make it for this? And I said, probably not, because I've never
Probably
heard of
not.
this. And if I've never heard of it and nobody's ever asked for it, we're probably not going to sell any.